Come out wherever you are. Is anything standing behind me? I'm starting to get scared now. Show yourself. If anybody is in here, now is your time to say something. Pull my hair. All right, who knows where we are? This is a little bit different. I drove like 5 hours to get to this place. All right, I'm in downtown Williamsburg, Virginia. But I want to show you what this place looks like at night because I don't see any videos of it. And this place is exciting and it's going to be scary. Let's go. And a lot of these shops are open late, 8, 9 o'clock. You want to come here because at nighttime, you're going to see all kinds of ghost tours. I can't wait. Let's just get to nighttime around this place. This is the Wife Candy and Gourmet Shop. Oh man, look at this candy shop. These apples and that fudge back there. This is a really nice candy shop. When you're in Williamsburg, you got to come over here. All these different things. Oh, there's some entertainment going on here. Guy playing the guitar. Awesome. When you're in Williamsburg, you gotta come here at night because this place is hopping at nighttime. Don't just come at the daytime. There's the Mellow Mushroom Restaurant. Ah, who this guy is. A colonial guy. That might be John Hancock. The Scotland House gift shop. This looks like a really cool store in here. Oh, and they got a general store. Shirts, all kinds of little knickknacks. This is like the general store back in the day, but more modernized gifts. Here's the knickknacks. Look at all these guns. And I tell you, a lot of these stores, that general store's open till 10 o'clock, but do you see how they close the street off at nighttime and open these restaurants up? This is like the beginning of this downtown. Oh, it's a really nice gift store, the Brick and Vine. It's pretty big. It's got a whole nother entrance over there. I love those lights though. This is cool. This is right on the street. Tasting room and wine bar. I tell you one thing, Williamsburg downtown in specific is a beautiful little place. There's a lot of stores here from what I remember the last time I was here. And there's maps to show you how to get around. Now, just an FYI, once we get into the colonial part of Williamsburg, you pay to go through some of the buildings, but you can walk up here for free. Can you imagine back in the day when horse and buggies were coming through these streets? This is Merchant Square right here, but I wanted to show you, look at this beautiful restaurant right here. Open at nighttime. Come at night. I will tell you one thing, their flowers and their architecture, and of course, everything is just well maintained and beautiful here. And Williamsburg is known for the William and Mary alumni. If you went to school here, comment below. Look at all this college gear. The Bruton Parish Church. It's getting darker. I don't want to show you too much. I'm here for the darkness and see what's all haunted around this place. Is anything standing behind me? If so, don't tell me. But you talk about a beautiful church. This is what it is right here, this old building. So now this is the colonial part. You can see everybody moseying through, but during the day when you come through, you get to go through some of these buildings. But it does require a ticket. Look at these cobblestone sideways. There's some horses out there. I wonder if these are any of the ancestors way back in the day. I'll show you like a 360. You can see up there's more old buildings in Colonial Williamsburg, and you're gonna see lots of tours. Right there's a ghost tour that's getting started, and this place looks haunted. Is this just stunning or what? And let me tell you, Williamsburg is one of the most haunted places in the world. I'm from close to Gettysburg. This one probably ranks a close second. All right, this is cool. Peter Scott House. Apparently he was a cabinet maker, and they're excavating here where his house used to be. Archaeology project. Just beautiful gardens. But guess what? It's getting darker. They light these houses up here. I can't wait to show you. I got my good camera out, so I'm hoping I can show you some really cool shots. And maybe a ghost or two. Look at this garden. Is that beautiful or what? But we're here for the ultimate tour. The scary tour, the night tour in Williamsburg. Here we go. Now, as we get ready for this night tour, if you see anything scary in these windows or down the street, please comment below, because I am dying to catch something. You want to know something? I know that's the tie-up horses there next to these buildings, but I smell horse manure. I don't know if that's paranormal or if they do tours here. My guess is they're doing tours here. J.N. Greenhow. I don't know, this must be his house. If these streets could only talk, I would love to know what they're saying. That's a beautiful little courtyard back in there. This looks like a fort area. Cannons. Looks like they're getting maybe set up for a military reenactment or something. I tell you, Colonial Williamsburg is a must-see if you're into history. But what's got my attention over here is these stockades. This looks like it's getting ready maybe to be a ghost tour. They're getting ready to gather people together to explore this place at nighttime, which is what we're gonna do or get to. I see all the buildings way over there. Goes down a couple blocks that way, more this way. I truly just cannot imagine what it would have been like back in the 1700s to live like this. Horse-drawn carriage, no phones, no cars. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. My camera is flickering. Does this place look haunted? I think so. This looks like it's set up for some kind of a restaurant or eatery. It's not open right now. If you've never been to Colonial Williamsburg, make sure you're putting this on your list. I just gotta think for trees. This tree here is magnificent. I forget, what's the red line mean? There are just colonial homes up and down this place. I don't know, it seems like maybe it's about a half a mile. I didn't think anybody was living in these houses. I'm assuming maybe those lights inside are just for decoration and illumination here to see these places at night. It's time for me to shoot some stills and see if I can capture anything here before it gets too dark. All right, this is cool. The Brick House Tavern. 16 good rooms for ladies and gentlemen. You can see the canopy beds inside. I didn't know you could stay on this street. All right, I think this is truly classy. A white house with white shutters. It is stunning. That's called the Weatherburn House. I guess it wasn't a house. It was a very famous Virginia tavern. This King's Arm Tavern is actually a restaurant. You can see people eating dinner in there. You walk out back. Actually got an outdoor seating area as well, but walk back these streets. You are not going to know what you are going to find. This just keeps going on and on and on. And in case you're wondering, yes, these bushes are real. They look like tables. Are they tables? I can't believe it's shaped that perfect. And I'll tell you one thing, if you could smell the food right here, inside that restaurant. They actually grow their own herbs here in this little garden area. All right, we're almost at the end. Did you see any ghosts yet? But now it is time to get these lights turned out and show you what these places look like. Glowing. All right, we reached the end. This appears to be the last house on the block. It looks like they're getting ready for a ghost tour here. There's a lot of people congregating. This is so cool. This is the Capitol, the colonial government for 75 years. 1765. If any place is haunted, you would think the Capitol would be. All right, this is creepy. Right next to the Capitol building are these gravestones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in here. The Joneses. I wonder who that is. I got to do some research. If anybody is in here, now is your time to say something. Pull my hair. Push me. Do something. I got a mic right on my shirt. Come up and talk into it. Say something in this video. Who are you? Did you live here back in the colonial days? Tell me who you are. Show yourself. Come out wherever you are. All right, so we just talked in the cemetery. I don't know if anybody spoke, but this tour is getting ready to get started, and we're ready to get started. You can't tell in this camera, but it is getting dark. The camera is trying to add light in here. Oh, yeah. Come on, moon. I'm starting to get scared now because there's not many people down in this part. Now it's dark. Do you see how the houses light up? Is anything standing behind me? If so, don't tell me. I will be out of here so fast. Show yourselves. I want to see something on this tour. All right, ghost, it's time to show yourselves. I'm not going to be able to move my camera as much in night mode here. It is really dark now. I don't know if I'm capturing anything, so let me know. Here comes a ghost walking tour. You can even walk through the cemetery at this church. Something jumps out, man, I'm out of here. This is so eerie because they got above ground coffins here. All right, I was just taking some photos through this cemetery and I thought I heard a scream. Remember, if you see something, say something. Is this eerie or what at night? Ooh. I've been walking back these streets here and I've been taking pictures of houses. I'll put a bunch of them in here because if I would show you what they look like now, it's completely dark, but the camera enhances it. So I'm hoping I catch something. All right, that's a wrap. That's a wrap. I hope you like this video of Colonial Williamsburg and the haunted attractions and the ghost tours. Make sure you're liking and subscribing and follow us on Instagram along.for.the.journey. Till next time, see ya.